In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a welcome email on Beehiiv. Start by heading to your Beehiiv dashboard. From the main navigation, click Settings to open the area where you control publication-wide preferences. Inside Settings, choose Emails. This is where Beehiiv groups important system messages and automations. Look for the Welcome Email section, then select Configure Welcome Email to open the editor. Begin with the essentials your subscribers will see first. Type a clear, compelling subject line that sets the tone and communicates value right away. Next, add preview text. This short snippet appears in the inbox next to the subject and can boost opens by reinforcing what's inside. Think of it as a friendly, curiosity-building follow-up to your subject. Then, select an author. This determines the display name and profile associated with the email, helping subscribers recognize who the message is from and building trust from day one. Now, let's make it look on brand. Click Style to open visual settings. Start with colors, choosing a palette that matches your publication. Prioritize high contrast for legibility, especially for body text and buttons, and keep link color distinct so it's obvious what's clickable. Move to typography and pick fonts and sizes that are easy to read across devices. A strong hierarchy, clear headings, comfortable body text, and consistent link styling keeps readers engaged. Adjust spacing to give your content room to breathe. Adequate padding around sections and buttons improves scannability and click-through. If you want subtle separation between areas, edit borders to add lines or rounded corners that fit your brand without clutter. For deeper control, click Advanced. Here you can refine the background to set the overall mood with a solid color that supports readability. In email header, align and size your logo or title so it looks crisp and balanced. Under body, fine-tune default text styles to ensure paragraphs, lists, and quotes render consistently. In widgets, style elements like social icons or other modular blocks so they match your palette and typography. Finally, tailor the email footer to present a clean, compliant ending to your message, keeping it visually consistent with the rest of the design. When everything looks right and reads smoothly, click Save. Your welcome email design and copy are now set, so every new subscriber gets a polished, on-brand first touch. That's the full setup flow for a Beehiiv welcome email: clear, consistent, and ready to make a great first impression.